more than watch this video, more than listening to Chief John wetin he talk concerning Peter Obi.
My Lord Bishop, I hope that I will not break your protocol, but there are some people here, 3 of them, that I would like to greet you people. The first of them is one I would call a junior brother of mine. He and my wife's junior brother were classmates in secondary school as well as in university. They used to come to my house on holidays. And when they come to my house on holidays, before I wake up, I see them washing my cars. They both had very outstanding parents, and the humility they displayed, that they came on holidays, and before we wake up, they are cleaning the house and washing the car. Of course, they stole the car to go out once in a while. But my brother-in-law is dead, Emeka, may his soul rest in peace. But his friend and boss, His Excellency Peter Obi, is here. I thank you for cancelling your campaign schedules and honoring my parish with your visits. Yes, I have a father here, in fact 2 fathers. One of them is a celebrated leader of the Yorubas, Chief Ayo Adebanjo. The other one was chairman of Southeast Traditional Rulers, but a man of outstanding integrity, impeccable character, and we hold him in great awe for the way he carries himself as one of our most revered traditional rulers in this part. His Highness the Obi of Onitsha, Chief Alfred. Fourth person is my junior brother, but my governor, His Excellency Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. Governor Ugwuanyi, my children and I are extremely grateful to you for all the courtesies you and your government have offered my committee of friends and myself to ensure that this celebration goes on successfully. May God bless you. I'd like to greet my brothers and sisters, Knights of St. John. My spiritual strength. Your spiritual comradeship fortifies our faith. I look forward every month that we meet, sanitize ourselves through the sacrament of penance, worship God, and hold our meetings. I thank God that I am one of you, and thank you for all the honor that you've done us today. We will have time when we get to the hall to acknowledge the very many important personalities here. But I would like to ask my governor to do me a favor by introducing the only one I haven't introduced here. He's our Baba. When he was president, he pampered me so much that he used to take me to his squash court and asked me to play squash with him. I tried to make sure that I never beat him so that the state security do not arrest me for beating a president in the squash court. When I finished my tenure as President General for Haneze, some of my friends wanted to give me a sent-forth pass, but there was COVID and it was stopped. He offered to share that party. I'd like my friend Chief Obi to please stand up wherever he is and take acknowledgement as chairman of my committee of friends. Chief Emejulu, please put your hands together for him. If he's not there, I'm sure he's running around to put things together. So when my committee of friends approached him through the Secretary General of Ohaneze, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo not only agreed to come to chair my reception, but when I went to his house to find out whether it was true, when I mentioned, sir, I wanted to know whether you had reacted to my letter about my birthday. Sir, I'm coming. He walked to his office and came back with a notebook, which was his diary of events, and another sheet, which was confirmed events, which had number 1, Chief John Nwodo's 70th birthday, 10 a.m., St. Mulumba. I said the church is in St. Mulumba, sir, but the reception is somewhere. He said, don't you want me to pray with you in your church? And I said, my church has never received a former head of state. We shall be ecstatic to receive you. His Excellency, Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the microphone is yours.
Respectfully observing all protocol, Chief John Nwodo, congratulations. Baba, our daddy, our leader, the great Olusegun Obasanjo, I've been asked to invite you. God bless you, sir.
Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. My Lord spiritual, my two brothers here were trying to shirk their responsibilities. Anyhow, congratulations. Many, many happy returns. But once your governor is here, he is the first citizen and he should be doing the talk. You pass the microphone to him and the governor decided to shirk his responsibility and to pass it to me. Now that you have done that, I will try to do my best. Let me start by apologizing on behalf of the governor, my senior brother, Chief Ayo Adebanjo, I myself, for rudely interrupting when you were giving the homily. As Nia said, I had a number of other things to attend to, and I made it a point of duty that rather than just go to the reception, I will want to come to the church as well. And that So forgive us for our, what should we call it? Well, the governor said coming late. All right, the coming late. Well, for me, it's a great pleasure being here with you and celebrating this day with you and your family. You have made impressive contribution to this country. I start to your state, to your community, to your family, and to the Church of Christ. And at the age of 70, they are just starting life. I am a teenager, and I have a young man of 95. Brother Ayo Adebanjo, get up, let them see you. He's a very young man at 95. So please sit down. If Ayo is still a young man at 95, you see, you have a long way to go. A long way to go. But the point is this. Whether you make 70, 80, 95, 100, or even 120 like Moses, what matters is not the number of years. What matters is what you have contributed to make what you made better than what you are living. You have shown that you are going to you have started making what you have made better, but there's still a long way to go. My prayer is that God will give you many more years, but in good health, to continue to contribute in the service of God and in the service of humanity. Many, many happy years.
My Lord, all that remains for me is to thank my family and my friends and my fellow parishioners. My Lord, yesterday, the Christian women organization of this parish were in my house. They baked me a birthday cake. They brought me drinks. They prayed for me. I happen to be their patron, but I know they have many other patrons. And they have never done this to any of the patrons. I don't know whether it's because I told them they go for boba jobs everywhere. But it's 9 years my wife was brought to this church, and they've never come to